The last step, which is the third step of our trifecta in the 3-step method. So we are going to using precision glue gel to double secure. Don't lose this red cap, because this is going to keep your gel staying on one place and it's not going to falling off or keep it from getting clogged. So I'm going to go ahead and seal on the beads. You try not to get it on the top of the crystal. Your crystal is going to remain is really nice and stay attached to your nails. We're just going to do is right in the center. I'm going to do is a little exam. So during the time, I don't squeeze anything out yet. You can see that. However, when you feel like scratchy on the spot that you need to fill in, you're going to squeeze that match. That's all you need. You do not need to do is really, really heavy-handed. Really gently, just a little bit. And we'll seal on the top of the beads in the frame, but not on the top of the crystals. If you need to go back and then do it more because the clients, oh my God, Nancy, I still feel scratchy right here. You can squeeze a little bit in, but make sure you keel for 10 seconds first. So then the first layer of the precision glue gels will be able to set before you place another layer on. Okay, so here for 60 seconds. And we are moving in this gorgeous nail. I am so obsessed. You know what? You never go wrong with the AB. And of course, when you have a glow in the dark and baby combo, it's like a perfect combo, you know? Never go wrong with this. I'm loving it. So I'm going to seal on the top of the beads, but not on the top of the crystal, because you see that how I teal all my crystal is really nice and flawless. So try not to get the precision glue gel or top coat on, because the top coat and precision glue gels is going to destroy your beautiful. However, it's make it look bubble, but it doesn't look like bubble like a new crystal bubbles are in. It's going to look like a bubble weird. All right, so I'm going to cure this one for 60 seconds. This is so gorgeous. It's not even a scratch at all. All right. So let me show it quick. Cure for 60 seconds on that.